What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Truly, feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to Instagram, give me a follow, let's interact on there as well. Now, enough with all the talking, man. Let's get into it. I got a slightly, I guess, early-ish pair. Haven't got a big release yet. But you see, regular red box, Nike Dunk box. Tag on this joint reads, Nike Dunk Low Retro, Mystic Red, Cargo Khaki, size 12, man, personal size. Let's check these joints out. People trying to call these joints Freddy Kruegers and things like that. These ain't no Freddys, but they definitely give Freddy vibes. Let's check them out. Now here we have the Nike Dunk Low in the Mystic Red Cargo Khaki colorway. And the streets are trying to call these Freddy Kruegers. So for the video, we're gonna call them Freddys, even though we know these not Freddys, man. But let's check these joints out. Look at these details, look at these materials. Let's see how you guys are feeling about these. Now starting with the front of the shoe, man, as you can see, that toe box is laced in that Mystic Red colorway with the Cargo Khaki going around the toe cap. Getting around the side of the shoe, man, it has the Cargo Khaki going across the eyelets and across the laces as well. Going across that swooshes in the Cargo Khaki colorway, which is like an olive, army green looking color. And going around the back panel, it does have the Cargo Khaki as well. Has the Mystic Red on the toe box, side panel, pure white on the midsole, with the Mystic Red going across the outsole of the shoe, man. Really nice colorway, bro. I always say that the regular two-tone dunk color blocking is my favorite. And this is another one, man, definitely a good fall colorway. Get to the back of the shoe, man, it has the Cargo Khaki on the bottom, Mystic Red in the middle, Cargo Khaki on the heel tab with the Nike embroidered in. Get to the inside of the shoe, man, just the same as the outside. The Cargo Khaki hits in the back and on the swoosh. Mystic Red across that mid panel. Cargo Khaki going across the eye stays and the lace holes. Cargo Khaki going across that toe box. And back to the front with the Mystic Red on it. Now get into the laces, as I mentioned earlier, man, they do come with the Cargo Khaki laces. Mystic Red on the tongue, Mystic Red on the Nike tongue tag. And then it has the Cargo Khaki embroidered into that Mystic Red tongue tag. Really nice touch there. And these joints do have the Mystic Red on the lace tips as well, just to offset that Cargo Khaki colorway. Now the inside sock liner of the shoe is laced in that Cargo Khaki colorway as well. The insole is Mystic Red with the Cargo Khaki, Nike, and a Nike check pressed on, man. Really nice colorway, especially for the fall, man. This is one of my favorite dunks as of recently, for sure. Hands down, like, this is one of the best dunks they've put out. We've seen a lot of early pictures of these joints a while back. These joints finally released. Everyone's calling these joints the Freddy dunks. I can give them that because they do definitely have the Freddy colorway, but we're not gonna disrespect the Freddy Krueger SBs, which pretty much nobody can afford. I know I can't, but if you like Freddy, just past Halloween, man, definitely still a good fall shoe, good Thanksgiving shoe. And you can even pull these joints off like a Christmas style fit as well, but definitely good colorways, some nice dark colors. I love the two-tone color style on these joints, man. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints so far. Mystic Red dunks, man. Let's continue checking these joints out. Now, checking out that right shoe, just the same as the left, man. It has the red on the mid panel, Cargo Khaki going across all of the side panels, toe cap. The eye stays where the laces are in that back panel as well. Does have the Mystic Red going across the toe box, Cargo Khaki on the laces, Mystic Red on that tongue, Mystic Red on the tongue tag as well with the Cargo Khaki embroidered in. It's a super decent shoe, man. This joint is definitely giving Freddy vibes. So I definitely can understand why people are calling these joints Freddy. No doubt about it. But these joints are definitely solid, man. The back of the shoe just the same as the other with the Cargo Khaki here, red hit there, Cargo Khaki on the heel tab with the Nike embroidered in. Same on the inside of the shoe as well, man, with that green and red hits. This is a dope shoe, man. I'm glad they went with the pure white midsole on these joints instead of like the aged midsole they've been using a lot of lately. That really sets off like the lesser dark colors be darker fall colors, and that white just is a nice good pop to the shoe. Mystic Red going across the outsole. Regular dunk here, man. Really good colorway. And let's check out the quality and the materials on these joints. Now, as far as quality and quality control on these joints, man, there isn't really any major flaws on these pairs that I've seen so far. I did grab these joints from my local shoe palace, so they were like one of the first source to drop them. Shoe palace always kind of just drops their dunks whenever they get them in. They get them in, get them out, get them sold before everybody else does. And in my eyes, their business plan is just to go ahead and get them sold, kind of give people that early release so they can sell them. So once Foot Locker and City Gears and everybody else starts doing their releases, they kind of already got them and they're kind of forced to sit with their pairs. That's just my 2 cents. Is how I feel about how they're doing it. Even sometimes Finish Line and JD's does the same thing as well. But like I said, I grabbed these joints from Shoe Palace. Quality is pretty good. As far as the leather quality, you're not gonna get anything crazy. It's like Panda Dunk leather, maybe a little softer. Nah, this is definitely like some Panda leather, that plastic feel type leather that they use on regular Dunks. Nothing crazy on the quality. But as far as quality control, man, you don't see any crazy like glue stains or any missed stitches or anything like that on a couple of pairs that I've had. So a pretty decent shoe overall, no doubt. But still not getting anything crazy. Still a regular Nike Dunk. Nothing crazy on the pricing. You're not getting a premium tag on them. So just know what you're getting when you buy these joints. You're more so buying a dope colorway rather than dope materials and dope quality. Now I did mention earlier I grabbed these joints from Shoe Palace, man. They were 120 bucks. That's like 130 out the door here in Texas. That's retail, man. So on the resale market right now, they haven't received the big release yet, like Foot Locker, Nike app, or anything like that. So as far as resale, they're going like around 150, 160 across all sizes. Nothing too crazy. If you are gonna pay resale, if you don't have these at your local Shoe Palace or you missed them already, 150 isn't a bad price for this shoe, especially with retail being 130 with tax. But other than that, man, I can't say spending too much over 150 for these shoes would be a good idea, man, especially with the rate that Dunks have been releasing, man. They release a lot. Once they kind of hit, you kind of drop down to their retailish price range, 120, 130, 135 max. So definitely try to grab these joints for retail, man. Check your local Shoe Palace. If you got a connect in there, man, just hit them and see if they got them in. They shouldn't try to text you on these, man. It's a regular Dunk. They're gonna sit once all the other stores get them. But like I said, check your Shoe Palaces. Probably next will be like maybe Finish Line and JD Sports probably release theirs, then City Gears after that. But definitely try to grab these joints if you like them, bro. It's a really good colorway for me. I like these joints a lot. Really good fall vibes. I love the olive green, the cargo khaki colorway rather. And I love the Mystic Red, man. It's not a true red, but it looks really good on this shoe and it meshes well with that cargo khaki color, man. But overall, man, this about wraps it up for this video. Just wants to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Nike Dunk Low in the Mystic Red cargo khaki colorway. The streets are calling them Freddy's, so I guess we can call them Freddy's, man. The poor man Freddy's, whatever you want to call them, budget Freddy's. But we got them, man. You seen them? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about them. Are you copping, dropping? Is it a drip, flip, skip? Just let me know how you guys are truly feeling about these. Leave your honest opinion down below. And if you grab them, let me know where you're grabbing them from. Did you catch them at your local Shoe Palace? I know when I grabbed mine, my store had just put out their display and they had like full shipment in the back. So check your stores, man. My local stores in Houston started releasing theirs. Today is Wednesday, maybe like Monday. I started seeing pairs come out. I grabbed mine on Tuesday. So just go ahead and check your local stores. You may be able to grab them now. If not, let me know if you're trying to grab them when they drop on Nike or Foot Locker. When they get their bigger worldwide release, man. Just let me know how you guys are feeling about these. But until next time on the next video, we got the Nike Dunk Low and the Mystic Red cargo khaki colorway, man. Peace.